Hi, my name's Doug. I'm an account manager here at Navan, and today we're going to run through booking your trips through Navan. To begin with, we're going to select our location and we're going to start with the flights. So in this instance, we're going to go from London to Madrid. From here, we select our departure and return dates, and whether it's a round trip, one-way trip, or if we have any other special needs. From here, we're going to search for the flights and wait for the results to pull through. If you're utilising Navan's dynamic policy, you'll find out what your flight policy is when the results pull through. When the results have pulled through, we can see what our price policy is by looking at the very top, and we can also set filters between the timings, the airlines, airports, pricing, and also just seeing what's in and out of policy. As mentioned, in this instance, I can see my up and out of policy is £181, and there's a shield that shows what's above the price or cabin policy for each flight. If I'm to select a flight, I can compare the fares and see the amenities for my specific flight, in this case with British Airways. I select my outbound flight, and then we search for the return flights as well. Again, using the same policies, we can select the flight that's within our policy, see what the amenities are, and add that to our trip. Now we've selected both legs, we'll go to checkout, and this is where we create our trip. By default, it's named after where we're travelling to, but we can rename this to whatever we want, for example, Client A Visit. You may have mandatory fields to fill in before you can continue with the rest of the checkout. From here, we can review the flight details, we can double check the change and cancellation policy, we can ensure that our contact information is being shared with the airlines for any notifications. If you're ever travelling internationally, we'll make sure that you know that you need a passport or potentially a visa when you are travelling. You will then confirm the traveller, any loyalty points and the seats, and then you're able to make that payment on the Navan corporate card if you're on Navan Travel Payments. From here, the trip is being created and we have the option to add other methods of travel, for example a hotel. We click in here. The location and the dates are already built up for us because we already know where our flights are arriving and departing. Similarly to flights, if you're using dynamic policy, you can see what is up and out of policy when it comes to the specific searches you have. And if you're utilising Navan rewards, you can see at what price point you're going to start earning Navan rewards if you were to make these bookings. When we're looking through the map, we can also see where each hotel is located. We can see if it's part of the Navan Lodging Collection, which is our corporate negotiated rates that we pass to our clients. And we can then click in and select the hotels we want to include. From here, we can review the hotel, look at the photos, reviews, and all the key amenities within the platform, and select a room. We can filter by the ones that only earn you Navan rewards, if they have free cancellation, or if they're pay at hotel or prepay options. I'm going to select this first one here, which is a pay at hotel booking. You'll see in this instance I'll earn £25 in Navan rewards when I actually do check out at the hotel. The hotel is already attached to our original Client A Visit that we just booked, and this is where we review the details of the hotel, the room, again the change in cancellation policy, the traveller, and the payment methods. From here, we can then click the box, making sure we're aware that we are going to have to put a card down for incidentals, and then book the hotel when we're ready to do so. Once your room is reserved, you'll be taken back to the trip page and be able to see your full itinerary in the platform. Of course, if you need to add trains or any rental cars or any other services, you can do so through the Navan app. You can also make changes or have any cancellations for that booking as well.